Well, hello, friends. Welcome to Embrace the Question. This is Thanksgiving week of 2022, and it occurred to me that I have never done just a subscriber update. What is a subscriber update? Well, that's when I take just a few minutes and tell you how appreciative I am that you have joined me on this channel, that you have invested in, many of you have invested in what I'm doing here. I just want to thank you for that. Really, from the bottom of my heart, I am so impressed, so amazed that there are so many folks out there very much on the same journey as I am on. They have the same passions that I have, and they are just lovers of God and lovers of Scripture. And that really endears me to you guys. And I'm not making that up. I hope that comes across in my responses. And I really appreciate that you would take the time to comment on some of these videos. Some of you do it just to keep the dialogue going, and I really appreciate that. That's a sacrifice of your time. And goodness knows it's not easy to comment on a mobile device, right? You're fighting it all the time. Autocorrect, all this stuff. It's just not easy to converse a lot of times on these type of channels, but I really appreciate that you do that. I wanted to tell you that things are good. We're going to continue doing what we've been doing. We're over halfway, I think, or approximately halfway through Genesis. That's a lot of videos because many of those videos were 2 parts. So we've done a lot of videos in Genesis. We're making good headway, and many of you have expressed interest in moving forward. And I don't know what book we should do next. I mean, the obvious choice is Exodus, and I love Exodus, and it's another one of those colorful books. But if you have an opinion or a choice, let me hear what that is. I'm interested to know what others want to do. I don't want to just assume the obvious choice, but let me hear what you think. Additionally, when it comes to the Bible studies, the videos that I've done, especially with the deeper truths, some of the Hebraic word studies, some of those I have put on a Patreon channel. Now, this is not a commercial for a Patreon channel, but what I'm doing is this. I realize that when you are trying to do a group study, and some of you are doing that, some of you have got a small group, you're going through these videos one at a time in order to, just have a group discussion, and that's a great idea. But commercials are highly annoying whenever you're trying to do this, especially in a church setting. That's horrible. I don't like the fact that there are commercials interjecting at bad times. And I'm not sure that there's ever a good time, to be honest. But what I've done is I'm putting that content on a Patreon channel, which I will put the address in the notes below if you're interested. And for, I think the low donation is $5 a month, no commercials. And you ask, well, why make it anything? Why is there a charge for that? Well, because it's not free. People that are generating videos of this size, they don't host them for free. The cost to them isn't free either. So anyone who's going to host videos is either going to charge the person who is posting the videos or is going to run commercials to pay for it. YouTube does that whether I monetize a video or not. They are throwing commercials in simply because there's quite a few of you watching and they know they can make some money that way. So that's the story. If you're interested in supporting me through Patreon, I would highly recommend going that way just to avoid the commercials. If the commercials aren't bothering you at all, man, just I'll keep posting them here, and you can skip those things whenever they pop up, and done deal, okay? But I do hope that you continue to hang with me on this journey. I hope you invite somebody to go along with us. Mostly, I just wanted to say thank you for all of you who have stayed with me on the channel, who have visited the blog, who have bought me a coffee. God bless you. Coffee is an amazing thing. Can you tell? Wow, that's bad. So it's Thanksgiving week. I hope that you are safe. I hope that you are healthy. That's my prayer for you. And leave me a message, leave me a note, say hello. Would love to meet you if I haven't already. And God bless you guys.